Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this absolutely stunning BMW 3 Series 320d M Sport we've currently got for sale, finished in this gorgeous sapphire black metallic paint. It's got that 2-litre diesel engine in combination with the brilliant automatic gearbox as well for those seamless gear changes. To start off at the front of the vehicle, you've got these LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And down the side of the vehicle, you've got these diamond cut alloy wheels which finish off the exterior perfectly, with your red brake calipers there for the M Sport braking system. You've also got heated and power folding wing mirrors and also privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. It's a generous amount of boot space on offer with the split folding seats there as well, so plenty of room for your weekly shop plus much more. You'll also benefit from the electric tailgate. Moving inside, there's a full leather upholstery with the M Sport colours on the seat belts there, and your rear passengers have got their own climate control and a couple of USB-C ports. Towards the front, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also your centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just moving on to the huge infotainment system, it's got a digital radio with Bluetooth connectivity, as well as satellite navigation with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. Also displays points of interest there as well. You've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. To help brighten up the cabin whilst driving at night, you've also got ambient lighting available with a wide range of different colours to choose from. Plenty of assistance systems on board as well to keep you nice and safe on the road at all times, including collision warning and much more. You've also got multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive, or the Eco Pro setting there as well to help reserve some fuel. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors, which are backed up by this rear view camera. You've also got the park assist there and the reversing assistant. And you also do the dual zone climate control, as well as a heated steering wheel and heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. A little bit further down the cabin, there's plenty of storage on offer, with a couple more power outlets and also wireless phone charging available, so you can charge multiple devices on the move. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you would like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.